a 0% card that you have to look out for is what are the balance transfer fees. There is a fee involved. It's a upfront fee. So for every $1,000 that you borrow, you're probably going to have to pay about $30. It's a 3% balance transfer fee, is pretty much industry standard. You might find a card for less than that, but good luck. And the time periods vary from card to card. You might have a card that offers 12 months, you might have a card that offers 21 months. You have to decide what is best for you in your situation. Now here is where the super slippery slope comes into play. If you have, let's say, a whole bunch of credit cards out there and you owe a lot of debt, and you open up a 0% card and you transfer as much as you can over to the card, there will probably be a limit on how much you can transfer. Now all those credit cards you just cleared off all have zero balances. And if you haven't got your spending under control, what you're going to most likely do is start spending again on those credit cards. And now by the time the 0% card is up and you've only been making the minimum payments, now you're just as far in the hole as you were before. Plus, you now owe the 0% card, which now is not a 0% card anymore. And now you're paying like 19.49% on that card. So you can see if you don't have that 0% card paid off, and if you aren't disciplined about your spending, you can just get yourself right back in the hole, an even deeper hole than you started out in. And that's why you have to be really cautious about doing a 0% card.